probably will get a bounce of some sort from here. But this really, guys, when we're in here, is we're really catching nice territory. I wouldn't, the cycle shifted, the momentum shifted to the downside. If you're looking for long positions now, it's probably not the best thing to do. I mean, you're literally, if you think about it like this, guys, all the people that are looking to sell that perhaps didn't sell it, when they were in the top range here, anybody that's left. I mean, don't forget, that there has to be sellers. Sorry, there has to be buyers for the big sellers to sell. Okay, so what they'll do is if the price pumps up and everyone gets excited, you can imagine how many of the big investors will probably be looking to exit in light of the fact of where we are in the cycle. So you'll find that any sort of pumps that we get, you'll probably find us sold into quite quickly. And we'll continue on down to the downside here. So what do I think we get a bounce here? I mean, we will, just looking at weekly lows, by the way, guys, just what I mentioned just then about, it's not unusual to lose the weekly lows. You've got, a low there and we came slightly below it and then obviously took off. And you do see that from time to time. You've got lows here and then slightly lower lows and then took off, lows here, slightly lower lows, then took off. So you do see that on a weekly time frame sometimes. But the fact that we've dropped below that significant support, red dotted line there, changes everything, I think. So I do think it's very difficult to be taking long position trades now. So if you're going to do it, personally, I will be doing it. I trade for a living, so I will be doing it. But I think it's very high risk. I will share the trades in the group, for people to follow. But just bear in mind, guys, that it is higher risk at the moment, and there's every chance that any kind of bullish pumps, do get sold into. So we'll have to watch for that.